Hey, have you ever wondered what this is? Well, today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it. Today I would like to talk about efflorescence. What is efflorescence? Where is it coming from? Can we get rid of it? And the most important question, is efflorescence mold? Well, what is efflorescence? Simple. Water and calcium together. So what happened is that the moisture going through your concrete and pushing the calcium inside your concrete, your cement, or your stones will create that white powdery substance that you could find inside your home. That is efflorescence. It's not dangerous, it's basically only calcium and water mixed together. That's where it's coming from. Can you get rid of it? Of course you can, because it's not mold. Mold, it's a fungi. It's basically alive. Calcium isn't. So you could try to wash it on your own with water and vinegar and scrub it properly. Repeat a couple of times. And if it's still coming back after a couple of weeks, then you have to call a professional. Call the waterproofing guy. Hope this helped and stay safe. Please subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. Anybody who has a home or future homeowners may need some advice. Stay tuned.